evaluation, but for next week we will do on Fridays.
Project.
On the evaluation.
Okay.
Yeah, because last time I couldn't come on Friday, that's why we do on Saturday. So start on next week we will do on Friday.
I see.
Yeah, I will share the schedule also. So today I will evaluate from the LP that you have made for this week from 6 until 10 January.
So I think because I think better next week because next week there is no one to explain.
No, for this week first. So for next week on Friday, I will ask the topic for next week only.
Oh yeah, no, I think because my LP will be used in next week.
It's okay. Next week? For next week only. For next evaluation. Because next week there will be evaluation also, right? On Friday. So I will ask the LP for next week on Friday. So for this, for today, I will ask the LP for this week only.
But can I explain what the only next week? Because I'm better.
What can be? Okay. But I will ask for this week first, Miss. Okay. So what is the project? What is the project?
Yeah.
What are the projects that you have delivered for this week?
Okay, we have Minecraft. Minecraft is making dancing people like
Dancing people.
Yeah, dancing people, and then for particular putting the water from bottle to cup.
Okay. Putting the bottle.
Putting the water.
The water. So for next week, the project, what is that?
Project the or Minecraft is hedgehog.
How's that?
Animals.
Oh,
hedgehog. And then for particular folding napkin.
Folding
Napkin.
napkin.
Folding napkin.
So how many napkin?
Only one.
Only one. So you will ask the students right now.
Yeah, sure.
Only folding the napkin.
Yeah, because the simple one, right?
Yeah, that's so easy, I think.
Yeah, because my student 3 years.
Yeah, I mean, like pouring the water, they still have the challenge to do it. But like folding the napkin is too easy, I think. Have you discussed this first?
Because Safi asked us to find the project that fit with the students with their years.
But this is, I think, too easy. Just folding the napkin. And then, do you know, napkin not really, I mean, like,
Yeah,
what's that?
yes,
Yeah, that's not really large, right? I mean, can you maybe discuss first?
Oh, yeah,
We'll find out. But this one already, this one hasn't been approved, right?
Hasn't.
Yeah. So I mean, before you give this to the students the project, it's better to discuss first with the teacher.
Okay.
Maybe you can find out the more challenging, but not really hard, not really difficult for them, but not really easy. I think, yeah, according to me.
Medium.
Yeah, medium project. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Alright, so can you explain about this one? I see here there are some words like first food, furniture, insects. Yeah, what's that? About the first food first.
Actually, first food, actually we know like pizza, but in first food it's not only food, but fruits are there too.
Oh, when you first food.
Yeah, first food.
Actually, I mean, you're focused only to the fruit.
Before flashcard, the basically of flashcard, first food is food like pizza, spaghetti, rice, but there is no fruit. But in new first flashcard, there are fruits and food, so mix.
But did you explain that, like, how's that? The pizza is junk food, and then you explain which one the healthy food.
Oh yeah, we explain which one the house
This
we
is one
have.
and week two. It means that you have the difference to the students, right?
Yes.
So did you explain which one healthy food, which one unhealthy food, or which one is junk food, like the pizza? So did you explain to them?
Yeah, we give the pictures to them, and then we give the pictures one pictures consists
One
with
picture.
one picture consists junk food or unhealthy food, and then one more healthy food.
Healthy food.
Yeah,
So how many foods that you have explained to them?
five items.
5 for each.
Yeah, five.
So that's 10.
Yeah, that only.
How about the furniture?
Furniture. We explain about the things, and then we give the question to them, and then we
How many furniture did you explain?
uh nine
9. So what is armchair?
chairs.
Armchair.
Armchairs is kinds of chairs, but we can put our hands on the chairs, 2 hands on the chairs.
Pardon?
Armchairs is kinds of chairs, but we can put our 2 hands on the chairs. Yeah,
What is the function of that? Put there.
to make it more comfortable.
Oh.
You
More relaxed.
Yeah.
Okay. How about bench?
Bench is kind of chair too, but that's simple, and then it's only we can just put our bottom on the chairs. But there's no like armchairs. We can put our hands there, and then
Mattress.
mattress is mattress is kinds of like bed, but we can put it on the floor, so we don't touch floor directly.
We don't touch the floor directly.
Yeah,
What does it mean?
I think not. We don't sit on the floor directly. We can put mattress on it, so you can sit down around there.
And then here you explain how did you explain about the insects here?
Insects. I explained about example and has buzz sound like that, and then and bee has buzz sounds, and then bee can produce honey. Butterfly has beautiful wings, and then they are in many colors.
What is cricket?
Cricket is kinds of insect, and then cricket has small body and has 2 wings on it.
It doesn't say with explanation here. Almost all animals look like that, right? Insects, of course, will be like having small body. I mean, what is special about the cricket here? The to make this kind of animal different than others.
Cricket has I forget about the sounds. I will explain about the sounds too.
Can you explain?
Yeah. Actually, for that, sometimes I give the videos about the.
I mean, you explain it well, right? You explain it to the students, right?
Yeah.
So what is that? What is cricket?
Cricket is kinds of snack. It's inside, and then cricket has a cricket can fly, and then we can find it among the grass, and then we can bird likes to eat cricket.
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly
explain to them?
Four.
Four, yeah. What are they?
Days in 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3-4 weeks.
Week 1 and 2, right? This one first. Week 1 and week 2. But I think some of these you have explained to them. So how many jungle animals have you mentioned and then have you explained to them? And what are they? The jungle animals.
Jungle animals. Actually, I explained. I mentioned all the jungle animals, and then I mentioned about the body.
What are they? Can you give some examples that you can explain?
Fox, deer, and then orangutan. And then,
But why are the list of the jungle animals are different here? There is no even one. The animal that you have said just now with the LP that you have made here. There are some animals like jaguar, like cheetah, like bird.
wild boar is, yeah.
So why are they different?
Oh,
So
yeah.
how about this? Did you explain this?
They are in 1 and 2 weeks, and then what I said just now, they are in 3 and 4 weeks.
No. So, what is antelope? What is that?
And antelope is kinds of forest animals, and then its color is black. Antelope, and then antelope looks like goat. And then antelope likes to eat grass.
How about tortoise?
Tortoise is tortoise. We can call tortoise or turtle. Yeah.
What's the difference between tortoise and turtle? Are they same? Are they different?
Tortoise, if I'm not wrong, tortoise is like sea animals.
Sea animal?
Tortoise live in ocean.
Live in ocean, yeah?
Turtle live in land, live on land.
They are different, is the definition here. Your explanation are different with this. What is alligator?
Alligator is a tail, and then alligator likes to eat meat, and we can find alligator on land and in the water too.
What color can be an apple be? And what is apple?
Apple. Apple is fruit. Is red fruit. Is red.
Is it only red?
Yeah, juicy,
Are
and
you sure
crunchy.
the color only red?
No, only red can be green too.
Besides green?
Maybe like peach.
Peach? What is an apple?
What?
How did you explain about apple to the students?
Apple. Yeah, I'll explain about the definition first. Apple is a fruit. Apple is red, crunchy, and juicy fruit. And apple is not only in red, but apple can be green or peach color.
Blueberry.
Blueberry, actually blueberry is kinds of berry, and then its color is blue, and it's small.
Cranberry.
Cranberry.
do bats live?
Yeah?
Where do bats live?
Bats live. It's bats.
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 Where do bats live? There are some questions here. I just ask from the questions that you have made here. Where do bats live?
Where do bats? What is that? Bats.
From bats. What is bat?
Where do bats live?
This is insects also. You make here. You don't know what's that. And then you have delivered this to the students. How come you don't?
Bat. Can you spell bat? Can you spell bat, please?
Vipers. What's bat?
Oh, bat. I say, oh my goodness. Bat. Oh,
Bat. So that's why I say right. I said just now. Where do bats? But if bat only, where does bat? Right? Where do bats? It means
I see. Because where do bats live? Bats live.
where do they live?
Bats live in cave. Cave.
Okay. How about the crickets? Where do they live?
Cricket lives in the ground or on the plant.
Wait, almost all different yeah, the answer. Okay, how about what big reptile has sharp teeth?
Crocodile has sharp teeth.
So what big cat has black spots?
Repeat, please, pardon, please.
What big cat has black spots?
What big
Black spots.
relax? What?
What big cat
A big cat
has black spots?
has black spot. Cat, animal, right? Black spot. I forget. Leopard. Leopard has black spots.
Yeah.
Black spot, right? Cat.
Yeah. How can you explain the fruits? For example, like grapes for the students. Yeah.
Grape is small and grape is small fruits, and grape is in many colors like green, black, and green, black and purple, and then it tastes sour and sometimes sweet.
Sometimes sweet.
Yeah.
So, for the flashcard, is it same for week 1 and week 2?
Flashcard, they are same.
They are same. What is bookshelf, please?
Bookshelf. Bookshelf, we can put our books on the bookshelf.
Okay, I think enough for the phrasing for today. I see here some of your explanation are not same with the definition here. So I hope you can repeat again this afternoon. Maybe at 12.
This, you will ask me about the
Yeah, I will ask again about this. So you will repeat about the flashcard questions. For the project, actually you can explain them well. But for the flashcard questions, mostly of them, the definition are not same with here. They are really different. So I hope you can repeat for today because next week cannot be anymore. So must be in this week. So I hope you can repeat maybe at 12 or 12:30 can be.
Okay.
So you still have time to read this again, Miss. Especially about insects and jungle animals. The definition and then how did you explain them to the students in a simple way so that they can understand it easier. Okay.
Okay.
So I think that's all, Miss. Thank you for today, Miss. Yeah.
Okay.